You could get hurt, birdie, birdie.
Yes, he's a good boy.
Hi, birdie.
Oh, yes, he's a good boy.
You gotta be gentle. You gotta be gentle. You could hurt me. You could hurt me, birdie. Is she watching the TV? You gotta be gentle. You could hurt me.
He's taking a really long selfie.
Well, if he's taking a selfie, he's got to be facing the camera.
No,
Isn't that right?
No, I gotta see his eye for him to be taking a selfie. I see his eye. He's taking a really long selfie. Really long selfie.
Are you taking a selfie?
Don't eat the camera. Don't do that.
You can't eat the camera, birdie, birdie. You know, I like birdie.
Even though you try to take a selfie, but while doing it, try to eat this camera.
Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. What are you doing?
No, don't attack the camera.
You get her. Get that camera. You get that camera. How did you push my head away? You pushed my head away with your beak.
Ah! He's going at the camera.
Do you not want me to look low while you beat up that camera? Don't look, Mommy. It's going to be ugly. It's going to be ugly.
Ah!
Don't look, Mommy. I'm going to make that camera bleed. Hi, birdie. Hi, birdie. I like that birdie a lot.
You made the cameraman laugh.
I like that birdie a lot. I love my birdie. Was that a yawn? Are you getting sleepy? Is it time for one of your 20-minute naps?
Okay.
A birdie